Look at this. There are 6,128 members in my trading group, and we're killing it. Got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, weekly chart, booming. Nice move to the upside out of Bitcoin. Reminder, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 5 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free money. Let's go. Bitcoin weekly chart. Weekly support still holding $32,000 weekly support level. Bull showed up here. Let's take a look at some of the smaller term time frames. This falling wedge idea. You don't have amazing volume. However, you do have the price potentially breaking out and breaking above the 21 simple moving average. Definitely bullish idea to see the bulls regain that. Down here, if you notice, you've got a falling wedge on the RSI. So again, I mean, if you get a breakout of this pattern on the RSI, you know, you're looking for upside continuation. Remember, multiple times we've talked about the bullish stochastic crosses being buy signals. And if you, I mean, you look at the stochastic RSI, I mean, you got a bullish cross right here and then continuation higher, right? So again, this really nailed this Bitcoin move to the upside. So Bitcoin 4-hour chart, we talked about this double bottom and how the bullish divergence meant potentially a trend change. And definitely you see Bitcoin has been unable to break out. Look at all these green circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, broke out here, then retraced back in. 5, 6. So on multiple occasions, Bitcoin keep hitting this trend line, right? Getting rejected, getting rejected, getting rejected. Well, now here it is. Broke through the trend line. Price actions at major overhead resistance. You know, so still some work to do by the bulls. Actually, if we look at the 1-hour chart, you can see this strong resistance. Bulls inching above this level. Still like to see 37,000. Next move higher, 38,000 and 40,000 as far as upside continuation. Some type of pullback and retest, totally normal, be totally healthy to see any type of pullback and retest. I mean, you want to see this support hold for upside continuation. We got a daily candle close coming in about 3.5 hours. Asia waking up. I mean, the market has had some bullish upside. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person made $19,000 in 50 days in the trading group. Shout out to Umesh Rana. He made $4,000 profit on his first day. This person lost some money in the stock market, had $300 left, turned it into $800 in 3 days on 2 trades. This person, I'm up $8,000 in 3 days thanks to your setups. STPT, 33% gains in 1 day. RSR up 19%. ARDR up 16%. Ethereum up 20%. Had this sushi USDT set up 29%. The bulls are showing up and gave us something to work with. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. Cryptorev.net. You do not want to look back at this opportunity a year from now or 2 years from now and think, man, I should have made more. I should have made the most of it. Make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups, period. Wu blockchain came out last night. I'm like, oh, heck, here we go. Chinese political tabloid Global Times published a strange comment today. Bitcoin and other virtual currencies considered illegal currencies and illegal investment products. And I'm like, banned, double banned. Like this Wu blockchain, they must be short because they always post Bitcoin FUD. And again, don't get caught up in this news. Understand people are trying to manipulate you with this news, right? I mean, you might have a YouTuber you follow and he's trying to pump a coin. He gets paid to pump a coin. And I mean, it's manipulated. YouTube's manipulated. The news is manipulated, right? Focus on the charts and you'll have a very high success rate. CEO of Coinbase came out and said, we plan to list every crypto asset we're legally viable. That's what I'm talking about. Like, it's about time. Keep adding those coins. Like, everybody needs to be able to trade these coins. ARPA came out and said the Q2 token burn has been completed. 10 million ARPA were burnt. Remember, when they burn coins, they don't just disappear. They send them to an address that's inaccessible, right? And so they've burnt 14% of the circulating supply, 7% of the total supply. And this happened over time, right? $4.5 million. And I mean, just remember, this is something that over time just kind of takes time to play out and increase the price. That's AI. They've got DeFi agents. This is the first native DeFi app powered by Fetch AI. So this is an automated liquidity management tool for Uniswap and PancakeSwap. So allows you to, it basically protects you from excessive impermanent loss or rug pulls. Morgan Stanley buys over 28,000 shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. And this says something. I mean, this came out this morning. This says a lot. BZRX, and they have announced this Fulcrum and Torque, which is margin trading up to 15x, and then you can lend on Torque loans. So BZRX, I do have a setup posted on this. BLZ, they've got Stargate migration. Now, a lot of these news catalysts that we had coming for the end of this month, Bitcoin price action always trumps news, right? The news is only as good as what Bitcoin is doing, right? The Bitcoin Wyckoff accumulation chart update from earlier. And you can see, I mean, the price action's kind of really respecting this idea up till now. And if this continues to play out, I mean, we've hit the spring or the shakeout. We've retested support with the double bottom, right? This is the last point of support. And then you're looking for upside continuation if this idea stands true. Vechain Foundation. Vechain's proud to have received a AAA enterprise credit evaluation. The top tier compliance and competitiveness standards have been exceeded. They're now expanding use cases in many countries. Germany opens the floodgates to Bitcoin investing. As much as 350 billion euros can start entering the crypto market this Thursday after a law passed earlier this year comes into effect in Germany. Tom Brady jumping right into the market. Him and his wife have taken an equity stake in crypto firm FTX, a long-term partnership. So again, people see the vision. Don't get frustrated by this Bitcoin price action. Like, yeah, it pulled back 50%, hasn't been amazing. But the fundamentals haven't changed. In 4 years, when you're ridiculously rich off of the crypto holdings you have now, this won't even matter. Focus on long-term. If you're a holder, you go into this and you think, okay, this is not going to be an amazing ride. I can't do it. I can't sit here and take 50% losses. My strategy, I do not ride downtrends. I take profits, I sell the top, I buy back lower, increase my profitability 10, 20, 50, 100-fold based on the ability to avoid the downtrends. And that's really what I find drives me to be very successful in this market. So have a strategy, have a plan, write it down, stick to it. Whatever works for you on a psychological level, continue to execute your trading plan. This is big for Doge because Tesla CEO one of the richest people in the world, Elon Musk, he's backing a proposal that seeks to introduce a new fee structure and policy for Dogecoin. The billionaire told his 57 million Twitter followers that it's important to support the proposal that's been put forth by core Dogecoin developer Patrick Lauder. So again, Elon pushing for Dogecoin success. All of a sudden, meme coin becoming more relevant. I mean, obviously, it's one of the top cryptos because of all the news hype that it gets. This is the total cryptocurrency market cap. It looks real similar to Bitcoin and a lot of these alt USDT paired setups. You've got some overhead resistance right here. You know, the double bottom measured move is still, about $8 trillion away, which is a tremendous amount of money. But, if you get some type of pullback and retest here, this is going to follow Bitcoin. You're reaching close to overbought levels on the RSI, but you can use this chart to kind of help you find confluence with other ideas on other charts in this market. But again, if you get some type of pullback, that's okay, but you want to get a retest and then upside continuation. And again, this price action, it moves in waves. Impulse wave, corrective wave, impulse wave, corrective wave, impulse wave, corrective wave. You just want the trend to continue to put in, this is your low, this is a higher low, this is a higher low, this is a higher low, and these are all higher highs, right? So you want the trend to, this is a downtrend, you want it to trend higher, right? And so form this uptrend. These pullbacks are part of it. That's just how this price action moves. Understand this idea. Bitcoin dominance, and we talk about this all the time. If this thing trends higher, altcoins bleed. Altcoin relief if this trends lower. And you can see it's broken this major trend line. And I talked about it on YouTube yesterday. I only got 8,800 views in 18 hours. Nobody wanted to hear this bullish idea. They didn't want to hear it. And that's what made me more bullish is everybody else. Fear, all this fear in the market, right? Like the market's going to do what you don't expect it to do. And we talked about, hey, this insane Bitcoin move, like this has been insane because of the fact that, hey, this hasn't been able to break out. Here it did, but then rolled back over. So the question is, will this be the move to 40,000 and can it break 40,000 for upside continuation? If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.